Artoonza.
Hey there, weather wizards and letter lovers. Did you know that the letter J is secretly an umbrella just waiting to keep you dry? That's right. Today we're transforming a tiny J into the most colorful, glittery umbrella you've ever seen. We'll sprinkle some magical glitter hearts, vacuum up the sparkly mess. Yes, our tiny vacuum is back and naughtier than ever. Give us your like. And splash on so much paint, your umbrella might actually start working. Just kidding. Please don't take it outside when it rains. But seriously, grab your markers, your glitter, and those paintbrushes, because we're about to create an umbrella so beautiful, even the clouds will be jealous. Let's paint our way to a rainy day masterpiece together. Let's go! Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. Time for the Rainbow Parade. We're lining up our paint droppers like they're tiny soldiers ready for battle. Pink, yellow, light blue, green, and orange. Each dropper gets one perfect squeeze.
Aww, so cute.
It's like a colorful conga line on your paper. Give us a big thumbs up. Now comes the sparkly drama. Our black glitter polish is here to make everything fancy. It's like giving your umbrella a tuxedo. Very sophisticated, very shiny. Grab that brush and let's splash some sky blue magic. Our umbrella is getting its first coat of color. It's so pretty, even the clouds are taking notes. How does she make blue look this good? They're wondering. This is so amazing. Sunshine time! Yellow makes everything happy. Our umbrella just got a burst of sunshine, and honestly, it's glowing brighter than my future. Smash that like button now. Green is here to save the day. We're painting with the color of trees, grass, and definitely not the vegetables your mom wants you to eat. This green is fun. Color, color, color. Pink attack. This color is so sweet, your umbrella might start blushing. We're painting with pure happiness here. Even grumpy cats would smile at this pink perfection.
Aww, so cute.
Color, color, color. Orange finale! The grand finish to our colorful adventure. Our umbrella is now officially the most amazing umbrella in the universe. Big kiss, superstars! Wait, don't go! Click another video. We've got crazier drawings hiding here.